Okay, game.
Sir, kakampi mo ah. Ikaw, Mike, Jan,
Okay, 2-0. To Mike, no good. Rebound by George. Remind ko ha, mayroon tayong backward violation. 24 seconds. 8 seconds. JM. No good. Rebound by Mike. Steal by... No good by Emma. Time remaining 9 minutes, first half. No good. Okay, Kuchi. Sayang. Wala po tayong first ball ha. Ruel. Okay, foul muna, foul. Palakas po ng tawag ha. Meron tayong foul counted. Jabs no good. Okay, last touch by Kuchi. Ten seconds. 2 points by Alejo. Score 4-0. To Jeff. Nice. Sayang. No good by Emma. Okay, no good. Score 6-0. Gel, 2 points, score 6-2. Mark, no good. Basa ba pre, may pamunas dito. Fiber naman tong ano eh. Eighteen seconds. To Gel. To Joe Mark, no good. 10 seconds, huh? 7 seconds. 4 seconds. JM, 3 points. Score 6-5. Michael, no good. Rebound by JN. Okay. Score 6-5 pa rin, ha? Remain ko, round time tayo. Alejos. Napasa mo kayo. Mike, 2 points, score 8-5. Tatlo lang ay nahabol ng team jumps. Good, good, good. Napaganda pa. Score 10-5. Steal. Okay, 2 points by Eman. Score 10-7. Alejos. 2 points by Roel. Score 12-7. Nice pass, Joe Mark. 2 points. Score 12-9. Time remaining 4 minutes 23 seconds. No good. Emma, no good. Rebound by Mark. Steal by Roel. Roel to Jobs. 2 points by Jobs. Score 14-9. Pwedeng maliit yung pag-i-score ko, ha, kaya sinasabi ko agad. 14-9. Gel, ECU, score 14-11. Wow, grabe naman yun. 16-11, nice shot by Alejos. Fourteen seconds. 12 seconds. Kuching, 3 points, score 16-14. Joe Mark, diretso, nice na. 2 points by Joe Mark, score all 16.
Kanya saan kayo, boss?
Sa ako,
Ako may.
siya sa pag
18-16.
Maraming court doon. Nung kami naglalaro ng high school pa ako. Daming score. Meron pa rin ba kayo? Oh, yung pag-summer, yung nagpapano.
mabasa.
Nawala na pala. Kaya mga ka-classmate ko doon. Oo.
JM, no good. Rebound by Jobs. Oy, hindi pwede kay Kuching. Eman, nice shot. Score 20-18. Okay. Inbound violation. Remind ko, ha, wala tayong 5 seconds sa inbound, pero may line violation.
Meron po tayo. Kayo lang po tatawag. Hindi ko naiwan ko yung mesa ko kaya ako nahihirapan mag-facilitate nito. Meron na ako sa school wala.
Roel, 2 points, score 22-18.
Kasi po parang at least nasasanay na kayo. Kasi sa 10-21, wala kasing oras Tapos walang shot lang. Basta kahit tamba ka pa ng 10 eh. Hanggang di tapos yung 21, hindi tapos yung laro. Kaya pagdating ng liga minsan, yung pag... Dalawa tayo. Pero 10 minutes naman siya. Pero yung original ko kasi 8 lang yun. Kasi konti lang tayo kaya
Last 55 seconds.
apat na teams yan na tigli-5. Pero pag team entry kayo, pwede kayong anim sa isa. Kasi ang babayaran nyo lang din. Bahala na kayo magpaikot. Bo? 170.
Last 33 seconds. Mark, 3 points. Score 25-20.
26 seconds. Ang laro niya po, ibabaw talaga.
Coaching 3. 16 seconds. 25-23.
Natatakot sila, kala, sa ilalim. Hirap. 7.7, 27-23.
5 seconds. 2 seconds. And okay. Change course.
Sino una nakakuha? Sila. Change. Yung una po naka-receive ng bola. Kanila bola, no? Dito.
Wait lang ha.
Okay, game.
Sayang. Coaching Institute scored 25-27. Nice. Akala ko pepersay na rin Alejos. Alejos reverse. No good. Rebound by Mark. Nice. All 27. Nice triangle. Pag gano'n, huwag kayo basta susundot.
Pangalan po kasama niya. Dapat.
Ruel, no good. Rebound by Coaching. Sakto ba? Munti ka na? Okay. 2 points by Rob. Score 28-29. All 29. Nice shot by Emma. Jobs, grabe. Akala mo shoot na. Rebound by Joe Mark. Joe Mark, nice. Joe Mark, easy two. Score 31-29. Lamang na po ang team JF.
Pag nauupo kayo, meron sa bago.
Last 8 minutes, ha? Alejos, no good. Nakuha ni Mike. Mike, teardrop is good. Score all 31. Emma dribbling the ball. Eman, nice shot! Score 33-31. Napaganda pa. Nice shot by Aleros. Score 0-33. Oy, good. Na-save. Bad shot. JM, no good. Rebound by Japs. To Mike. Mike, nice shot. Score 35-33. Lamang ng Team Japs ng dalawa. No good. Japs, no good. Pero pasa pala kay Alessio. Score 33-37. Time remaining 6 minutes 15 seconds. Eman, dribbling the ball. Eman, nako, diretso. Munti ka na. To JM, unselfish pass by Jel. 3 points by JM. Score 36-37. No good by Mike. Time remaining 5 minutes 43 seconds. Jel, nice. Sayang. Rebound by Ruel. Ruel, nice. Ang ganda. Sayang. Nagkamali lang ng kalkula. Eman. No good. 36-37. Isa lang ang inahabol nyo, JM. Rock, no good. Rebound by Joe Mark to JM. Isa lang, lalamang na ba? Lakas talaga mag-rebound ni Jab. Nice pass. Mike, 2 points. Score 36-39. 36-39. Ayan. Score 36-39. Lamang ng tatlo ha, lamang ng tatlo. Ang team Japs. Rock to Eman. Eman, no good. Sakto. JM. 3. Score 39. Nice shot. Lamang na po ang Team JM ng isa ha. 41-39. Grabe. Nakadalawang rebounds pa si Ale. 41-all. Remind ko, may 8 seconds tayo. 14 seconds to shoot. Kochi to JM. JM, no good. Rebound by Rap. Ruel, no good. Kochi, time remaining 3 minutes 28 seconds. Kochi, coast to coast, no good. Ruel to Alejos, 2 points. Lamang na po ang Team Japs ulit ng dalawa.
41-43.
Nice block! Rock, pull up, no good. To Mike, easy to score 41-45. No good. Eman. Kochi, no good. Nakuha ni Japs. Japs umiwas. Japs. Oy, foul. Ingat lang po tayo. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Lamang sila ng 4, Jen. 41-45. Alejos. Munti ka na. Rock. Pull up. Is good. Score 41-47. 8 backcourt violation. Backcourt. Labas muna po. Labas muna. Labas muna. Backcourt violation. 1 minute 59 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute 50 seconds. No good. Nakuha ni Kochi. Nice D. Joe Mark. Pinasa kay Jel. Jel. Hesi Boom is good. Score 43-47. No good. Nakakuha ni Joe Mark. To Eman. Eman, tinansya. Eman, malakas. 1 minute 10 seconds. Shooting niya. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Mahaba pa oras. Last 1 minute. Good. Walang foul, ha? Last 57 seconds. JM. Lahat po ng foul, may free throw na, ha? Ruel, to Mike. Mike, no good. Last 39 seconds. Yun lang.
Last 35.
No good. Rebound by Kochi. Last 28 seconds. 3 points. Last 20 seconds. 46-47. 46-47.
Okay, foul. Foul. Foul na. Free throw muna. Kinapitan na. Hindi, tumatawag na ako. Hindi, tumatawag na kami doon. Free throw ka, pre. Free throw muna. Oh, pagdating doon, tumatawag ako. Tumatawag na ako doon para less yung hard foul. 2 free throws, pre. 14.5. 46-47. Lamang kayo ng isa. Okay, pag na... First shot is good. 46-48. Okay, wait lang, Japs. Nasa labas yung isa. Pasok na, boss. Game. Okay, time out. 46-49. Tatlo lamang. Ha? 14.5.
Tumatawag na po tayo ng foul. Kasi para maiwasan na yung unnecessary hard foul.
Game up, 14.5. 8 seconds. Okay, game.